Okay, welcome back everyone. Now let's continue our lecture. In this section, we will create the column and also a beam for our model. Okay, in Etabs, to draw the column, the first we choose the all story option, and from here quick draw column, and property we choose our column section 500 to 500, and we can click all. So the Etabs we create all floor, create the column at every floor. But actually in our model, the grid line 3, grid line E and D, we no need any column. So we can modify and we select all this column and also this column and delete. Yeah. Okay, and next we create the beam and X direction and also the beam and Y direction. To create a beam, click on quick draw beam and we choose the section 20 by 40 and make sure here the all story, and we select all the story and modify. But actually this grid line we don't need any column, and also this grid line we don't need any column. So in Etabs we can select this beam, and press delete, and we can see this beam separately, so we need to join this beam together. Select that beam and also this beam. Yep. And in edit frame and join frame, or we can from here join frame. Yes, all the beam are singular. Okay. Yes. So next we will draw the zero. So to draw the zero, we need to create 2 points at the first point at here, and also the first start point here, and also the end point at here. So I will dimension example here. This is the start point and here is the end point. So I will dimension from this. We take this point is the base, the intersection of the grid line F and grid line 1 from center, and X direction to define that move from the intersection, and from Y about 200 move from the section. So in Etabs, to draw that point, make sure we work on the ground floor, and we split this to one story, and go to draw join object. Remember X direction 300 and Y direction we move down, so minus 200. Enter, and we click right here. Yes. Okay, we got this point. Remember this point because this column should be 600. Okay, and in our column is 500, so we design 500 first. So we measure at the end point from the start, and should be the center of the shape. 5.74. So we need to select this point. You can go to edit and replicate, or we can start from here is replicate. So the X direction 5.34 and y direction to be 0, number 1, and apply, and okay, this we got this point. And also we measure again from the point to in the center of cable 2.72. yeah, replicate, and this should be the along the y direction, but we move down minor 2.22. apply. Yeah, okay, and we switch these to all story. We take draw and pier. We have two options. For pier is the vertical wall and spandrel for the horizontal wall. So our wall is the vertical. We choose pier, and property to be wall 20, and here all story. We start from here to here and from here. Modify just this, we get this wall. Okay, now we will draw another wall, this core wall. We will do the same process as before. Now I will take the grid line C intersection with the grid line 1 for the base point. We can measure this center to the center of the wall, 1140, and the same to center this wall about 200. Yes. So in Etabs, I will go to draw joint object, and X direction is 1140, and Y direction 200, and here we should be one story, and here ground floor. Okay, grid line C. Yes, we got this one. Modify, and also we will measure the distance between these two walls to these two walls. Should be 2300. So select this point and replicate in Y direction 2.3 meter in number 1 and apply. Yeah. And also this is the window. Sorry, this is the door to enter the lift, and this will be the window and the back. But this wall to be start from here and end, and then we got door and start from here to end here. So I will find this length from between of this wall to the end, 600. So I will replicate this point in X direction 0.6. Okay, and also this should be 1000, and this from the center to center 650. The center, the center to this should be 600. So I will replicate this point 1 meter, and then 0.65, and then 0.6, and then this should be 1 meter, and from this should be 650. Okay, this 1 meter, and this guy should be 150. Okay, and this center should be replicate in Y direction and minor 2.3. Yep, 2.3 from the center to the center. 2.31. Okay. Yeah. So close. And we go to the wall and P wall 20 and start from here to here and start from here and right click. So start from here, right click, start from here and also from here, yeah. Yes. And we can select this wall. Oh, you can see this node is a support, but actually it should be free. This, so select at all H 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yep. We can go to this assign strain and free fly. Okay, and the same we select the ball. Sorry, only ball, and go to replicate and story from the level 1 up to the roof. Fly. Yep. Let's see. And to close. So I will close this display and I go to 3D and I go to display option. I show only ball, right? Yep. This one. So we can display all, but we can go to select property and wall section. We wall 20, select and right click, so select option only. Yeah, we show only wall. Okay, now we already done draw the shear wall and core wall in our model.